DeepSeek claims to be the go-to solution for generating AI models without the usual complexity. But does it really deliver on that promise? Let's dive into what this tool offers and see if it lives up to the hype. DeepSeek positions itself as a user-friendly platform that simplifies the process of working with AI models. At its core, it offers a streamlined interface for training and deploying models, which is particularly appealing for those who might find traditional AI frameworks daunting. The design is straightforward, making it accessible even for users who aren't deeply technical. One standout feature is its ability to support various model types, which can be a huge plus for developers looking for versatility. However, I noticed that while the platform talks a big game about flexibility, it feels like there's a lack of detailed documentation. For new users, this might lead to confusion when trying to navigate the more complex functionalities. Additionally, the platform targets a wide audience from hobbyists to professionals, but it's unclear how well it truly caters to advanced users. The initial impression is promising, but some aspects leave me wondering if they have considered the needs of more experienced developers. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, DeepSeek's user-friendly interface is a big plus, especially for beginners. It's easy to start, and the support for multiple model types is helpful for diverse projects. However, there are some frustrations. The documentation feels lacking, which could be a hurdle for users trying to exploit the platform's full potential. Additionally, I noticed some performance hiccups during model training, which might be a concern for time-sensitive projects. Trust is another factor. There isn't a lot of public feedback or reviews available, making it hard to gauge how reliable the platform is over time. This could be a red flag for users who prioritize transparency. Overall, while it has its strength, it may not suit everyone, especially those looking for robust support and reliability. In conclusion, DeepSeek could be a great starting point for beginners wanting to explore AI model creation. However, advanced users might find it lacking in depth and support. If you're looking for something more robust, you might want to consider other options. Overall, it feels worth a try, but go in with realistic expectations.